Hi everyone! Today I'm drawing and coloring a super cute blue whale poppet using glitter colors. Let's get started! Welcome to Glitty Art! First, I draw the top part of the whale, including the tail and the bottom of the body. Next, I split the whale's body with one smooth curved line. Then, I add a few more curved lines inside the body to create different sections. Now it's time to add the eye. The little water splash on top, and all the poppet circles across the body. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. It can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Isn't that amazing? Now let's color it. I start with the eye. I color the lens black and then use glitter gray for the outer part. Next, I color the water splash and the top section of the whale using glitter red. I move on to the second section and color it glitter orange. For the third part, including the tail, I use glitter yellow. Then I pick glitter green for the fourth section. Finally, I color the last part, including the side flipper, with glitter purple. And we're done! Look how colorful and sparkly our blue whale poppet looks. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fun and creative drawing videos. Bye!